guys, so I'm just gonna give you the video that mother uh, my mother gave it to me, the squishies. So it just never mind, just let's see that. So guys, if you see that, I'm just gonna give you a picture here. So if you see that, guys, I'm just gonna do like that. So if you see that, that was the squishy, and I'm just gonna give you the other video. So let's go. So guys, if you like this video, please like, and if you like that intro too, and comment down below if you want to be shouted into my next video. I'm sorry that I didn't shout out today, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell down below so you can notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you like that ASMR from my mom. So that's all, guys. Bye, and wait, bye.